A replacement banknote is a banknote that is printed to replace a faulty one and is used as a control mechanism for governments or monetary authorities to know the exact number of banknotes being printed. Also, since no two serial numbers can be the same, the bill is simply reprinted with a symbol in the serial number, identifying it as a replacement for an error note. Replacement bills have different symbols to mark the error around the world, although the most popular examples are star notes. Description: as quality control finds defective notes in the printing process after the serial number has been overprinted, they are taken out with the serial number written down and replaced with another banknote printed specifically for this purpose, so that the number of banknotes being printed stays the same in each production batch. This saves time and money compared to reprinting exactly the same serial number that was used before. It is rare that the replacement banknote has the same serial number as the original faulty one. A replacement note will have its own serial numbering system that separates it from the normal numbering system. Examples of mark by countries: the United States uses, and Australia used until 1972, the asterisk in the serial number to mark a replacement banknote. These are known as star notes. Argentina uses R in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes. The Bahamas used Z in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes. Scotland, Hong Kong and Mongolia used ZZ in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes. Singapore uses Z1 in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes. Sri Lanka uses Z in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes. Indonesia uses X in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes. Zambia uses X3 in the serial number to mark replacement polymer banknotes. Malaysia uses Z in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes of the current series. Thailand uses 50S in the serial number to mark replacement polymer banknotes. Serbia uses ZA in the serial number to mark replacement banknotes. Different countries may also have their own numbering or marking schemes. There is no guaranteed way to know the rarity of replacement banknotes, as they are only introduced to replace broken ones. Some banknote collectors go after these rather unusual banknotes as their specialty. Both paper and polymer replacement notes exist as this control mechanism. Star note. A star note is also a banknote that has an asterisk, or star, after the serial number. Many early issues carried the star in front of the serial number. These have been used by various countries around the world, including Australia and the United States. In the US, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing inspects currency for printing errors prior to releasing notes into general circulation. When notes are discovered that have been printed incorrectly, the misprinted error notes are replaced with star notes because no two bills within a certain series can be produced with the same serial number. They are used to maintain a correct count of notes in a serial number run. By their nature, star notes are more scarce than notes with standard serial numbers and as such are widely collected by numismatists. Some of the highest prices paid for modern U.S. banknotes have been for star notes. A star note was also substituted for the last note in a block rather than printing a note with a serial number consisting of 8 zeros. This practice is no longer in use, as the highest range of serial numbers is now reserved for uncut sheets sold to collectors, so regular notes intended for circulation do not reach the final serial number in the block.